Good evening, students. Welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 8 of exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, Heron's formula of class 9 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 8 says a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. See the figure. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter. Okay. So the figure is given to us. The triangles are given to us. The triangles are 16 in number. And so sides of one triangle, 3 sides of one triangle are 28, 9 and 35. This is the third side. This is the third side being given to us, which is given to us 35 centimeter. So 3 sides are given. So we will be finding out the area of one triangle, then multiplying it by 16 because there are 16 in number. 8 are denoted by blue and the blank ones, the rest of the 8 are denoted by the blank ones. Okay. So these 8 and 8 forms the 16 triangles. So triangular tiles, they are triangular tiles to be placed. Okay, so let us find out the area of one triangle first, then multiply it with 16 and later on when we will multiply it with 16 we will be getting the area of whole of the tiles to be placed in the floral design. Okay, then after that we can multiply by the cost. We can multiply the whole area with the cost with the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter and we can get the cost of polishing. Okay, so let us start the question. So let us first find out the area of one triangular tile. And it will be founded out with the help of Heron's formula. Okay, so we already know the area is given by under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, where A is equal to 28, B is equal to 9 and C is equal to 35. So for that we need to find out the semi-perimeter first. So let us find out the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is given by A plus B plus C by 2. So it will be equal to 28 plus 9 plus 35 upon 2. So that will be equal to 72 upon 2, that is equal to 36 centimeter. So a semi-perimeter we have found it out over here. Now let us substitute this semi-perimeter in the area formula and find out the area of one triangular tile. Okay, so the area will be equal to under root 36 minus A is 28, 36 minus B is 9 and 36 minus 35. So here we will be getting here 36 into 8 into 27 into 1. So let us make the factors in order to find out the square root. All the pairs will come out from the square root and the numbers which will be not having the pair will be remaining in the square root. Okay, so let us write down the factors. So my area will be equal to under root 6 into 6, 36 can be written, then 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so one pair of 6 will come out, one pair of 2 will come out and one pair of 3 will come out. So my area of one tile will be equal to 6 into 2 into 6 into 2 into 3 into under root 2 into 3, 6. So under root 6 is in the square root itself right now. So it will be 6 6 is 36. 36 under root 6 centimeters square is the area of one tile. So if we find out the value of root 6 with the long division method, so under root 6 comes out to be 2.45. Okay, comes out to be 2.45. So when we will multiplying with over here 36 into 2.45, we will be getting over here 88.2 centimeter square. Okay, now let us find out the total area of the floral design. Okay, so let us find out the total area. So total area of floral design will be equal to 16 into area of one tile. Okay, so it will be equal to 16 into 88.2 centimeters square, which will be equal to 1411 centimeter square. Okay, 1411.2 centimeter square. When you will multiply 16 by 88.2, you will be getting 1411.2 centimeter square. So this is the total area now we have got. Now we need to find out the cost of polishing, because in the question it is saying find the cost of polishing the tiles. Find the cost of polishing the tiles. So cost of polishing we need to find it out. So it is given that 15 paisa per centimeter. So in rupees, we already know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 1 paisa will be equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Okay, so 50 paisa will be equal to 50 upon 100 rupees. So that means it will be equal to 0.5 rupees. So this is the cost per centimeter. Per centimeter, this is the cost. Okay. So we'll be multiplying over here with 0.5. The whole area should be multiplied with the cost of 0.5 rupees over here. It should be multiplied and we will be getting our answer. So let us write down cost of polishing. So cost of polishing. It should be centimeter square over here. So cost of polishing will be equal to 0.5 into 1411.2. That would be equal to rupees 705.60, and this is our answer. Okay, and this is our answer. So what we did basically, we found it out the area of one triangle, and then we multiplied it by 16, because 16 triangles are there, triangular tiles are there in the floral design. And after that, what we did, we found out the total area. So the total area, we multiplied it by 16, and then we multiplied with the cost which was given to us in the question, and when we multiplied with the cost, we got our answer to be 705.60. So this much rupees one should spend for the cost of polishing the floral design. Okay, so in this manner we need to proceed such type of questions. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.